Hey guys, this is going to be quite a quick video. I'm just going to go over what makes a system. Because most of the system, defense systems, or defense martial arts schools, etc. They teach basically a random set of techniques, and they teach 1,000 different techniques for 1,000 different attacks. Self-defense training system teaches a few techniques for just a few techniques that cover thousands of attacks. And those techniques are basically all the same, so you learn a few moves and you use those same moves for every situation. Now guys, I'll be bringing out at least another 50 to 100 videos of the self-defense. I'll also cover health. Anybody who watches my videos know I cover health, etc. Two health things I won't go into too deeply, but if you're interested in your health, Google earthing and two particularly good things, earthing and shungite. Google those, and I have links below where you can learn something about those as well. I wouldn't do without earth, or both those. I'll be using both those rest of my life till I move on and I'm out of here. So let's have a look at this, and at the end of the video I'll give you another couple of good health tips that'll so you get more out of this than just self-defense. Okay, let's look at this.
Self-defense company. Today I want to talk to you about what makes a system and what is a collection of techniques. And it's been our experience, as you're going to find too, that most of the things that you're going to see are just a collection of, I want to say random techniques, but for lack of a better word, they're random techniques. And whereas a system is a systematic approach to a variety of situations. For example, we'll start off with a simple combination from the self-defense training system module 1, which is just going to be a heel of hand, edge of hand combination. Really simple, straightforward, no problem. Now, Pete comes up and grabs me, jacks me up. Okay, where in a lot of other systems, you're going to be forced to be learning a wide variety of responses to this. We're just going to tell you, heel of hand, edge of hand, edge of hand. Okay? Same thing. Doesn't matter. It's the same gross motor skill set that we're installing in you. Pete pulls a edge weapon. I use the other hand so I can show you. Okay. He comes in and jacks me up again, puts it to my throat. Here, same technique. Only difference is I'm clearing the weapon. If Pete were to pull a gun on me, Pete comes prepared. Okay, he sticks this and he's putting it, puts it to my head. Okay, here again. Okay, same response. He puts it to the front of my head. This thing here, over here. Okay, so again, keep in mind, if it's an automatic weapon, again, this rack has got to move. If he's pushing it against my forehead, he's not going to be able to fire it. As soon as I clear it, big bang. Okay, I'm in on him, I'm on him, I take ground, and I keep moving him backwards. But again, it's the same set of techniques for when we're standing here just by our lonesome without any weapon involved. This way, when you're training, you only have to grasp one set of skills. That's it. The rest is just applying them in a variety of situations. Heck, we could even be on the ground and he could be choking me. We do the same thing. Again, most systems, in fact, the majority of the systems that we've come across will force you to learn, okay, he gives me, this, now I got to do stuff like this, and I got to do, he puts a knife to my throat, okay, I'm coming in here, and I'm maybe hitting, and then finishing up with a wrist throw. Again, besides getting into the fact that all those involve complex motor skills, which you will not be able to do physiologically under stress, what are you going to recall? Okay, you're going to recall the same thing that you learned from day one, okay, which is that same gross motor skill set. Again, is it a system or is it just a collection of techniques? Stephen Ross and Pete Barry from the Self-Defense Company. Until next time, train honestly.
So there you go, guys. Now, another couple of health tips. Usually if you're working out, you'll get a few aches and pains here and there, and some inflammation also. Maybe now, if you want to speed that, the healing of that up, a couple of things you can do is wear magnetic bracelets and copper bracelets. Now you can even make your own of these, but you can get, if you buy them, you can get female ones and male ones, one for males and one for females. Copper is a superconductor. It reduces inflammation, pain anywhere. Magnetic bracelets will increase your circulation, keep your blood circulation good, which will help with any inflammation, etc. So there you go, guys. A short one today. Anybody who's new to the channel, I'll be bringing many more videos like this, and health related ones, truth related ones, because as I said in my other videos, nothing works, everything's sort of related. We don't just, if you're going to do some workouts, training, self-defense or whatever, you want to be in good health. So I want to give you guys some extra tips regarding health. So if you can help me out by subscribing to my channel, or you can watch this on BitTube. BitTube, you can donate one-off donation to one video if you like it. On BitTube, they've got a thing called a tip button, like you give people tips at restaurants. So BitTube has got that. So if you don't know about BitTube, it's an awesome website or video platform, creator platform, where you can upload. You get paid in cryptocurrency called tubes. You get paid for uploading them and viewing on there. What I do with BitTube, you can do whatever you want. You can save those tubes, or what I do is when I've got enough tubes, I swap them for Electroneum. Every now and then when I get about 50 or 60 tubes, I go and swap them on this website called Trade Ogre, and I swap them for Electroneum. Or you can cash them in for Bitcoin, or once you get some Bitcoin, you can cash the Bitcoin in for gold or whatever. You'd have get quite a few rounded up though. But there's that. If you watch this on BitTube, you can hit the tip button on BitTube. That's if you can't, be a Patreon, or I've also got links underneath for various cryptocurrencies you can donate if you want. But if you can't do anything else, just hit that subscribe button. Cheers.